Santa Fe with a Starline Pro. Thief tries to steal it, car's not going to start. For the customer, pop their code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the disarm tone, foot on the brake and start, car fires up. If they don't want to use a code, they can just pair their Bluetooth phone up, so we'll turn the Bluetooth on. Now next time they get in the car, hop in, just start as normal. Car starts up straight away, disarms through your phone, and as you can see it's running just because the Bluetooth's on with an adjustable range. If you're taking it for a service, want to switch the system off, go into the app, press and hold. Turn the green circle to yellow, let go and you get 2 bleeps. There we go, next time you get in the vehicle, no need for a code, no need for a phone. It's just going to start up, so when it goes back to Hyundai for a service, you don't need to worry about the immobiliser. When you get it back, press and hold, back to green, let go, get 2 bleeps. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393.